Imagine if you needed to build a house and just walked into a supermarket and bought, say, a staircase or any other part of the building that made to your specifications. Now, this is set to be a reality from March next year, and a development that Industry Cabinet Secretary Adan Mohamed says will cut the time taken in putting up buildings by up to a third. This is set to happen once a supermarket selling precast materials made in a factory owned and run by China Wuyi is open to the public. The factory, which is in Athi River, will have precast materials and parts of buildings will be built there. Now, this is expected to ultimately reduce the cost of construction in the country while building on the government's plan to bring down the cost of construction by up to 40%. The government has insisted that to the Chinese firm that all materials that are used should be locally sourced.
Down the period of constructing a house by more than 1/3. And that is going to produce significant amount of efficiency in building of our buildings, and the quality is going to improve because significant amount of technology is being deployed to